Hi guys, in this video I am going to tell you about how to breed and care electric blue Acara fish. Here in this video you can see a pair of electric blue Acara carrying their offspring. These are soft water fishes and they need temperature between 25 to 28 degrees Celsius and the pH value should be between 6.5 to 7.2. Actually, I am used to keep the pH around 6.8 to 7. The tank should have some plants and rocks, and in the bottom of the tank should be of some gravel like river gravel that you can see in this video. This kind of tank setup will be attract the fish. And when it comes to filtration, place a sponge filter that you can see here. I used to feed them tetrabits and Artemia flakes. The Australian black worms will be great snack for them. When it comes to breeding electric blue Acara fish, you have to find a good pair. What I had done is, I had purchased 12 numbers of juvenile fishes and grown them for 6 months. And in the end, I had end up with 3 to 4 pairs. Frequent water changes will be good for them. I used to do water changes twice a week. Each time I used to do 25 to 30% of water changes, and I used to have bristlenose pleco along with them. But when they become breeding condition, they are becoming very aggressive and chase away other fishes in the tank. Once the fish is paired, it should move to the breeding tank. Make sure the water parameters are same so that the fish won't get stressed. If possible, feed them live or frozen bloodworms. That will improve the breeding. Make sure to do partial 10 to 20% of water change in the breeding tank once in 3 days. Place some rock or stones in the bottom of the tank. Once they are ready to spawn, they will clean the laying spot, and the female will lay the eggs and the male will be following the female and fertile the eggs. The female can lay up to 300 to 500 eggs. The spawning will take 15 to 45 minutes. And do not feed your fish at the time of spawning, and do not disturb them. Even going near to the tank makes the fish uncomfortable. The pair will turn into dark color once they are in breeding condition. The next part is the most important and crucial part, the hatching of the eggs. Once they laid eggs, add few drops of methylene blue to prevent from fungal infection. The parent will clean the eggs at regular interval, and they will mostly remove the unfertile eggs once they turn into white color. After eggs were laid, the parent only eats less amount of food. Do not overfeed them, it will make the water condition in danger. After 2 days, you can notice the eggs having black spots on it. The flies are growing in the eggs. At around 4 to 5 days, the eggs will hatch and the wrigglers are wriggling. The parents used to dig holes in the gravel and shift the newly hatched flies. They used to shift the place many times. The female will always stay with the flies. The parent will pick the flies in their mouth to move them to one place to another. Both the male and the female fish will be guarding the flies, so no need to separate the flies from the parent. Some fishes tends to eat their flies, so if it happens, make sure to remove the parents from the flies once they hatched or the eggs were laid and fertiled. Once the flies were started free swimming, feed them with baby brine shrimp which is newly hatched until they were 3 to 4 weeks of old. After that, feed them with crushed flakes. Make sure to do water changes at
regular intervals for the faster growth of the fries. Happy fish keeping!